Niagara Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder located on the border of Canada and the United States. Known for its mesmerizing landscape, it has become one of the most popular tourist destinations in North America. With the advancement in drone technology, capturing the majestic beauty of Niagara Falls from above has become more accessible than ever before. The majestic Niagara Falls consists of 3 waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. The sheer power and beauty of these falls attract millions of visitors each year. Tourism plays a significant role in the economy of Niagara Falls, with numerous attractions and activities available for visitors to enjoy. From boat tours that take you up close to the falls to helicopter rides offering panoramic views, there are plenty of ways to experience this natural marvel.